Welcome to Coding with Kids. My name is Kali and this video is going to be about Scratch introduction number 2. Okay, over here is what's happening. So the people who is following me or I'm following them is like here and what they are doing. So Cheese Guru 2017, 4 minutes ago, was promoted to manager of intro contest. So that's a studio featuring featured projects, featured studios, project created by Mr. Dazzling. That's a famous person, like username in Scratch. There's more things there. So over here, explore. This is where you can see other people's projects. All, that means all of them. Press load more to see more. There's so much I can't see all of them in Scratch. There's animations, arts, games, music, stories, tutorials, studios. Okay, you can have all studios. Coronavirus craft. There's so much studios. I even made studios, but it's not here because mine isn't famous. There's games, like games. I have a game studio too, but I don't think it's here. There's music, just same as projects, all I'm showing are music, stories, and tutorials. So create is to create a project, ideas. Choose a tutorial. It's loading. Over here is all the tutorials again. Getting started is when you start Scratch, it will be this video. Loading. It's loading the project, so it's blue with some code kitting on and saying creating projects. So it will be a video first.
With Scratch, you can make your own stories.
Okay, and that will be close it and string it too. Okay, this is your sprite. Add characters, stage, means backdrop, add more. You can even add blocks of your own, like music, 10 video sensing, text to speech, a lot of others. Over here, when you press this, it will go to your stuff. Okay, I have one unshared project. Just delete it. It will go to trash. In trash, there's a lot of things. Load more. I don't have any more trash, so I don't need empty trash. You need your password to empty trash. I don't want to empty trash right now, so I won't. Press here to go to your stuff, and here to your mail. And about. Go to about. Let's see what it does. So it's loading. Okay, this is where you can learn about Scratch. Over here in search, you can search people. I'm gonna search myself. Oops. I hope I did it right. Okay, nothing found because I forgot the I. So if I search for myself, there will be my projects and other projects that has kid that code. Okay, there. Hope I searched it. Yep. See, this is me, my projects. This is Code Kids, Rise of the Kid.code. cool stuff to remix this. Okay. And thanks for watching! Please subscribe our channel and smash that like